Hey, what is up YouTubers? It's Cody Carpenter here from the YouTube channel Cody Knows. In this video, I'm going to talk about the social proof campaign that we put together and which countries resulted in the lowest Facebook page likes. So in the previous videos, I showed you how to set up a social proof campaign for your fan page to get more likes, build credibility, and warm up this new ad account. That link will be in one of the cards above. And then I also showed you a tip to do when you're running these social proof campaigns, because some people will like the actual ad post but not your page, and then you just simply invite them to like your page. So those were the previous two videos, and I'll have a link to this video up in this card as well. So let's get down to the results. So this is from today. I spent $7.61. I've been running it for 4 days, so I'm just gonna go this month. I've spent a total of $37.81 on this campaign. So let's open up the ad account. Oh yeah, by the way, for everyone that's watching, I had a comment in one of my previous videos that my microphone level was low and that they had troubles hearing me. But everything sounds good on my end, so if you could take a moment and pause the video and let me know in the comments if you can hear me fine without having to crank the volume all the way up, that'd be awesome. If you could just take a minute and let me know if you can hear everything okay. And then if you guys are having troubles hearing this as well, I'll upgrade my microphone or something, because I'm hoping it was just that one guy's computer that was acting up, because I haven't had any other comments about it. Anyways, so these are the results from this month, September 1st to September 30th. It is September 30th today, and I think I started this on September 26th. So 24,000 impressions, 1,300 page likes, 3 cents per page like. That's not bad, for a total spend of $37.81. So let's dive in. Set 1, remember we targeted 10 low tier countries, and I'm going to show you which of those performed the best. And in one of the previous videos I showed you that I added another ad image to this campaign, so I have ad 1 and ad 2. Let's start there and see which ad image performed the best. And it looks like ad 2 outperformed ad 1. It got not only more page likes, but it was cheaper. And I'm going to show you what this looks like. Yeah, I showed you in the previous video how I just went to Canva, brought up a technology picture, and then an arrow to the like button, and I knew that this would outperform ad 1 because that didn't have an arrow for a little call to action. So that's interesting that ad 2 outperformed ad 1. Now I'm going to go to breakdown and go by delivery country. Okay, so we have the breakdown by country, and let's look at the ad 2 stats for country. Looks like the most likes we got were from the Bangladesh. We have 447 page likes at 2 cents per page like. That is awesome. I think 2 cents is the lowest we got on any of these countries. So Bangladesh would be the top one to target for cheap page likes for your social proof campaigns. The next one, 391, that's the second most page likes for this ad. 3 cents from Pakistan, so that's interesting. Next, Egypt, 49 page likes, 3 cents. India, 45 page likes, 4 cents per. Nigeria was 7 cents per page like. That's way too high. Trinidad and Tobago, it was 2 cents. And this is just for ad 2. Let's go down to ad 1. Looks like the most came from Bangladesh again, and that's 3 cents per click. So you can see the trend here. Bangladesh was definitely the best performing country, both in quantity and the cost per result. Next up is Pakistan. We got 118 likes from Pakistan for 4 cents per like. I usually like to keep it between 2 or 3 cents. So that's how did Pakistan do up here? So 391 at 4 cents and 118 at 4 cents. Okay, so Bangladesh and Pakistan were the top 2 on the ad 1 country list. Ooh, look at this one right here. India got 12 cents per page like. That's crazy because over here India got 2 cents. So that just shows how important it is to have different types of ads. And obviously the higher click-through rate you have, the lower the cost will be. Philippines is 5 cents. So you guys have the good picture of how this is working, and these are the top 4 countries that I would target. Personally, if I were in your shoes running a social proof campaign, Bangladesh, number 1, number 2, India, 3, Philippines, number 4, Trinidad and Tobago. So I hope giving you guys an inside look on a live campaign for social proofing a fan page has helped you and showing you which countries performed the best. The lowest cost country list right here, you got all 4 of them. I will have these 4 countries in the description below too. So that is it for this video. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, smack that subscribe button and that notification bell to stay up to date on all my future videos. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.